Today we're unboxing the new Rage Cycles Fender Eliminator for the 2021 to present Aprilia RS 660 and Tuono 660. This item, along with many others, is available at shoppenna.com. A link to the item and the part number is below in the description. Sometimes you'll find the part number and the barcode on the front of the box here, but not always. Let's open it up and take a look inside. First, you have the tucked license plate bracket. There is no standard license plate bracket available at this time. Underneath, you'll find the LED license plate lights, the wiring, and the connectors. Back here, you'll find the LED turn signals. They are encased in polycarbonate. You have the wiring and all the connectors. Now, all the brackets and metal in this kit are made of aluminum, and they have a black textured powder coat finish. Last but not least, you'll get a bag of hardware with a card that has a link to installation instructions if needed. This kit is completely plug and play, so no cutting, splicing, or drilling is required. The turn signals will flash at the proper speed, so no additional modules are required. If you have any questions, contact us or drop us a comment below.